Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I work as a sales representative for Yongming Machinery. I'm going to tell you about our fantastic product CS150/300-2 vibration grater. This machine can sort and clean different kinds of grains, making them more valuable and high quality. The equipment has four main parts: the aspiration, body, frame, and electrical cabinet. It's mainly used to size the different sizes of seeds, kernels, nuts, and beans. The grading screening process is a necessary process to ensure that materials higher commercial value. Materials are fed into the body from the hopper of the aspiration. There are several layers of sieve and link gearing that separate the grains by size and remove any unwanted impurities. We equipped a frequency converter for materials protection and equipment operation stably. The frame supports the screen body and has two lifters that make it easy to change the sieves when needed. The elastic balls not only clean the sieve automatically, but also increase performance. The machine has many benefits, such as high efficiency, stability, low noise, low energy consumption, and small footprint. You could choose carbon steel or stainless steel for the screen materials. This processing machine is a great choice for grading various agricultural products, and also it can remove dirt and large impurities from the crops. The equipment is a versatile and reliable machine that can help you improve your grain quality and value. If you are looking for a higher capacity selecting machine that can save space, energy, and your cost, look no further than this model. This amazing machine can process 4 to 6 tons of material per hour, and with 3 kilowatts of power in less than 8 square meters of working space. To learn more about this incredible product, please contact us. We will provide you with professional advice and detailed explanation. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.